Kani kadeka Batisi TV.
Ïingdorbar thau an ka jalla ne ka sngi ka arpulai trek uluber kalayo ban ai nuksa da ka jingpha panmap Ïingdorbar ye wainiki officer MCS ubadai chief executive officer barem jangkatura municipal board Zenithsky je sangma halor ka jingkano baula ujor ijahar persha krem nongrem ye MLA ka South Tura constituency ujon Leslie ke sangma kani ka jingpha panmap ye ni officer kadai hadien ba Ïingdorbar haka arpo trek mentau bnai leber kalayo pedang ya kaipon jangka privilege committee bat manjur ru ya kajing ajing mod ban khot hajar yau new CEO barem katura municipal board ba unhab ban wan panmap hakmat ke Ïingdorbar halor kajing ujor ba klem nongrem yau MLA John Leslie ke sangma hakani Ïingdorbar haswa ba Zenithsky je sangma un panmap bat ba unkeu hakaro kabala penyang hajan ke Jakasong ulampang MLA ka dadengre James ke sangma ulayang ban persya ya kani da ka baong ba kwa ban puli ka kaipon ne ban tep ka ek baltho ha ka kaipon Henry kwa bakani ka jingptha ban panmap kanya chkhman Henry namar baklem yo alat ban kran uniu MLA ulami jindat no Ïingdorbar hadien kani labtha yaki marshal ban walam yo Zenithsky je sangma Ïingdorbar bat haswa ba un panmap labtha yu uniu officer MCS ban bamsmai da ka baong bang panmap na MLA ka South Tura constituency ujon ke Leslie sangma bat kumjuru na ka privilege committee hadien ba uniu officer ulada panmap lapan kot no yakani ya ka balayo ru ya ka jingkarpa na menteri rangba ka jala u Dr. Mukul sangma balaong namar ba uniu officer lapan map tungin om beteng bat ban pankot no ya kani ka kam hangni
Sri Zenithsky je sangma to bow down to the August House and take evidence of oath.
I swear that to Almighty God that the evidence which I shall give in this case shall be true, that I will conceal nothing, and that no part of this evidence shall be false.
Sri Zenithsky je sangma, the House has charged you guilty of committing breach of privilege against the honorable member Sri John Leslie K. Sangma, which led to the breach of privilege and dignity of this august House. In exercise of the authority conferred to this House under Rule 172 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I accordingly reprimand you for committing gross breach of privilege of the honorable member and the House. Therefore, Sri Zenithsky je sangma, now let this House know as to whether you will apologize for the said breach of privilege to the honorable member and this august House.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I profoundly and sincerely express my apology to your Sri John Leslie Sangma, honorable member of South Tura. I also profoundly and sincerely express my apology to the honorable members of the Privilege Committee and this House.
Since Sri Zenithsky je sangma has profoundly and sincerely tendered his apology, now let me have the sense of the House whether the matter be treated as closed and be dropped.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we are coming for the first time with this kind of experience of having to have one of the government officers reprimanded before this august House. This is the first time in my innings as a MLA, as a member of this august House. I know that it has happened at the beginning after the inception of the state in 1972-73. After that, it has. This is the first time after so many decades. Now, let this very incident be a reason for all concerned to understand the power with which this House is vested within the spirit of our democracy. It is definitely unprecedented because in most of the cases, because I had the privilege of being the member of the privilege committee in my initial innings as the member of this August House. And any time when there is an issue of breach of privilege brought before the consideration, before the privilege committee, the people who were served with notice and to respond to the call of the privilege committee have always responded. This is the first time that, as per the report that has been tabled by the privileges committee before this August House, which has been adopted, is for the first time after a long time. But what I will say, what I would like to submit, which should be considered by this August House, is that since the officer concerned in the instant case has sincerely apologized, I would like to submit before this August House that we do not further proceed and drop the case here. That is the submission that I would like to make. And may this be also a message for all concerned and understand the dignity and honor of this August House so that we are not confronted by this kind of unpleasant situation in the future. So may this be an opportunity for all concerned to also understand as to how this House is vested with such power. Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Since the House agrees, the matter is stated closed and the case is dropped.
Kani Gadega Batisi TV.